Hello scrapers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use the Google search scraper in n8n official Outscraper node, so let's dive right in. Start by opening your n8n instance and creating a new workflow. Now let's add a trigger. For this example, we'll try to use a chat trigger, but you can use any trigger that fits your workflow. Next, let's add the Outscraper official n8n node. Under the Google search action, click on Search on Google. Make sure your API key is connected. Let's add a dummy query for this so it can run our workflow for this one. So let's try our workflow if it's working. Yes, it successfully worked. Now let's configure it so that it can input the chat trigger. Okay, let's try it again. Let's search best AI tool. Let's check if it's gonna work. Once it's executed successfully, you'll notice that it will return only one item. We need to use a split out node to split out the data individually. Let's use a split out node here and let's use data to split it. You will see it still have one item. We still need to use another split out node to split all the organic results individually. Great, it's already outputted 7 items. Now let's append this to our Google Sheets. I prepared a Google Sheet along with the header so we can append it in here. Okay, let's go back to our n8n instance and append it to our Google Sheets. Google Sheets, then append row in Google Sheets. Then let's choose our Outscraper n8n node tutorial, then use Google search. Then we need to map it out individually, so let's drag and drop the link, the title, and the description, and execute this step. Okay, let's check it in our Google Sheet if it's appended. Here, it was appended here. And that's how you use the Google Search Outscraper official n8n node. Head over to Outscraper and try our free tier. Happy scraping!